Genus Hub, smart made simple. Remove the existing TRV head. This is the part which turns and normally has the number 1 to 5 on it to regulate the temperature, from the radiator. Fasten the new adapter to the TRV body on the radiator. Screw the adapter down onto the TRV body if using the M30 by 1.5 mm adapter, or attach the RA adapter and valve onto the radiator and tighten up the grub screw using a 2 mm hex Allen key. Remove the battery cover by pressing the tab at the bottom of the valve, and pull the cover up and away from the valve. Place 2 AA batteries in the valve. A temperature should appear on the screen. Press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds until an M appears on the screen. The M will begin to flash on the screen, the valve will buzz and the plunger in the underside of the valve will retract. The valve is now in mount mode. Screw the valve down onto the adapter. Press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds until the valve starts to buzz and a temperature appears on the screen. This takes the valve out of mount mode. Place the cover back on the valve. For more information, go to genushub.co.uk.